So in this video, we're going to briefly go over the pentose phosphate pathway. So for the pentose phosphate pathway, there's two possible pathways that we can take. The first pathway, so both of them are going to be starting with glucose, going to glucose 6-phosphate. Both of them include glucose 6-phosphate. So the first way is a way that we can actually generate NADPH. So it'll go directly from glucose 6-phosphate to NADPH to eventually form ribulose 5-phosphate and ribose 5-phosphate. So this is actually what's used in nucleotide synthesis, right? So if we have ribose 5-phosphate, we can go ahead and make nucleotides such as guanine, adenine, etc. But remember, we can only do this step, this part of the pathway, if we start with NAD plus or NADP plus, right? That's when we can make NADPH and release that into the cell. So this pathway is dependent on NAD plus being present, in addition to glucose, of course, and glucose 6-phosphate. The second option does not include making any NADPH, but instead, we're going to use some other byproducts of glycolysis, including fructose 6-phosphate and GAP. So this will actually take 2 fructose 6-phosphates and 1 GAP to make ribulose 5-phosphate, and we'll end up making ribose 5-phosphate instead. So the big difference here is for the second pathway, it doesn't require any NAD+, and it does require fructose 6-phosphate and GAP.